Self-onboarding. Create and edit brands and products. Learn how to create and edit brands and products. 2. Optimize client information management. Filter and easily recognize projects segmented by brands and products. Extract specific metrics from the associated projects by brands and products. These functions are exclusive to users with permission to create and edit projects and clients. Link brands and products to projects. To associate a new project to a brand and product, enter the Projects module from the sidebar. Create a project by clicking on the blue plus button at the bottom. You must fill in the required fields: project name, client, and select whether the project will be created from a project template or as a blank project. Click Next to associate it to a brand and product. Only one brand and product can be associated to each project. Link brands and products to fees. From the sidebar on the Clients module, select the client and click on the Fees tab to create a new one. Here you must enter fee, name, and amount. Underneath, you will find the plus symbol to link pre-existing brands and products to fees. You can add as many brands and products as you wish. From the list of fees, you can click and visualize details of each one. On the right-hand side of the module, you will find the brands and products associated to the selected fee.